There you go.
I was going to inquire about the people who live down there.
Don't.
Do it again. Do it again. Cadence, don't climb up your path. Climb to the side. There you go. Keep getting it slicker and slicker.
Putting my future on the line to sled with my children.
That you are. Nice. The more they do it, the quicker it's going to get it.
The more I do it, my life insurance goes up.
Didn't we break it up last year?
Cadence.
That's,
Wee.
yeah, Cadence, get back on the other path.
You guys took the nice way.
And keep your feet up.
Give me one of them sleds. Hey, I'm coming right over the top of this weed.
You're gonna kill yourself.
We started that shit.